Instagram Reels showing a black screen on Android? Don't worry, here's how to fix it fast. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to get Reels working again. Let's jump right in. First, check if your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Poor internet is a common cause of this issue. Solution 1. Disable data saver in Instagram. Instagram has an internal setting that reduces data usage, which can occasionally prevent Reels from loading correctly. Open Instagram on your device and go to your profile. Tap the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down to data usage and media quality, and tap it. Turn off data saver and ensure high quality uploads is enabled. Solution 2. Check app permissions. Go to settings on your device and tap apps. Find Instagram and tap it. Now tap permissions. Make sure all necessary permissions are enabled, especially storage and network-related permissions. Solution 3. Force stop and clear cache Instagram. Hold the Instagram app on your device and a menu will pop up. Then tap App Info. Now tap on Force stop. After that, tap on Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the black screen issue. Now reopen the app and check if the Reels are working. That's it. Your Instagram Reels should now work without the black screen issue. If this helps, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.